Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to claim cashback on Upside. Now if you want to claim cashback on Upside but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have installed the Upside app on a device. So if you don't know where to install it from, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on the device. That is according to your choice, or that is according to your device. Now after that you just need to open the Upside app on your device and make sure that your device is also connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So after opening the Upside app, make sure that you are logged into your account. So you may log in by simply clicking on the option of sign into your account, and you may simply enter the email and password to your account. So after signing into your account, you may find an offer or browse through the deals which are available for gas, groceries or restaurants. So if the location supports, you may click on the option of check-in and select the offer and follow the on-screen instruction which the offer gives. So if required, you may also take a picture of a receipt and upload within the app. So after uploading the receipt or after checking if there is any offer available, your cashback will be added to your Upside account, and once you have accumulated enough cashback, you may transfer it to your PayPal account or even into a bank account. So that's it. That's how you can claim the cashback on your Upside account. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.